Can't do that with your car.
It looks like we might have a little bit of time. We're going to go grab some quick food.
You'll have an hour, probably an hour.
Probably an hour. And that's fine. We can have kind of just a long lunch break that we can watch. But anyone need anything?
This is Adrian Hart with your Southeast Colorado news on seconews.org. We're here with the T-Rex at Junta KOA. Brad Patterson, owner and very large train enthusiast, is bringing over a new caboose to display and rent out at the Junta KOA. Duffy Crane Company getting set to move that caboose. Check out our Trains at the Junction playlist on YouTube. You can subscribe for free to the Seco News channel on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook with your Southeast Colorado news. From Junta KOA, I'm Adrian Hart.
The spreader bar.
Spreader bar.
That way the cables and everything are off the sides of the caboose or whatever they're lifting. And the spreader bar, I've learned, is a accessory item.
Oh.
So when you get the bill, if they have to use spreader bars, then that's a line item.
Yep.
With a cost to it. But yeah, you know, the alternative is you got 4 holes in the side, 2 holes in each side.
Looks pretty nice.
Getting complicated now.
I've been over here about a year and a half, almost 2 years.
So there's it's just right over here in your mall, gorgeous, so crazy. And so we have 2 more rail cars in that. This is 40, no, this is
touching, man. I mean, it's both on both sides. It's like that. Okay. And then you can tell where they grab the schematic on the other side. They come back and burn it already. Oh, okay. It's just there's no other really possible hit. I mean, so far it's already off the ground. We picked it up. It didn't bit inside. Yeah. So we're looking good. That's what we're keeping an eye out on.
okay.
So we're looking good so far.
All right. Thank you. Anyway, so give me a couple of minutes because I need to help with him over there. log.
Okay. I did that for the opposite for that. I turned an RV into a small.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
89 Winnebago, turned it into a two-chair, like a seat, the air fryer, everything in there.
Oh, nice. Yeah, it's, you know, it's,
And then we go to share and some things like that. Then, like a step up, so you don't come in with a different shower.
oh, nice. Cool. Yeah, it's all, yeah,
3 years of travel and shooting out.
it's all in the detail. And, you know, we definitely want quality over, you know, rushing it or, yeah. Yeah, to me, it is. It is easy, like, yeah, just push it over. So from this point here,
You need that line straight.
yeah, because we're gonna, we're gonna, put this right off the. So it's just gotta,
Well, we gotta get close to first. Drag it.
yeah, I'm just gonna lean over. Be so fun, like an animation where it just touches Rex and Rex comes to life and claws into it.
I thought they just pushed him out of the way was pretty funny.
Yeah, not be so.
Don't mind the custom sculpture.
Yeah, right. We have the
Just toss it in the corner.
the welder here who can
Right.
put Rex's little claws back on.
Back a little. Right there. Go ahead and put the key in there. Let me know when you got it. You good? Alright, coming down, watch out. Not going in the hole?
Yeah, it's gotta go a little bit. Yeah, you can go right up and just slide in.
Yeah. Should be able to. Everything. I'm not exactly sure how that comes out of there, but we'll just have to slice it off with the torch, I think, and just have to work our way through all of it.
Well, we're as far on the back end as far as you can go. Right?
It sure looks like that would slide, but I don't see. It looks like it's tied directly. It looks like it's tied directly in that range keeps going all the way down. There's like a coupler here. This one's locked.
Hey, Malcolm, how wide are you talking?
But they're gonna touch underneath. Oh.
Well,
They're only like this. Still, I think my.
Well, this is the one we're going to cut off if we need to.
Yeah, okay, you're leaving that other one on.
I want to, but if we can push this piece back in, that will help them.